How to check MCC on Instarem. Follow my instructions. If you're using the Instarem card to earn rewards or maximize cashback, it's important to know which merchant category code, or MCC, is tied to your transactions. MCCs help categorize your spending, like groceries, travel, dining, and determine rewards. Let me show you exactly how to check MCCs using Instarem and other tools in 2025. Start by opening the Instarem app and logging into your account securely. From the home screen, tap the Transactions or Activity tab. Now scroll through the list and select the payment you want to check. When you tap on the transaction, a detailed view will open. You'll see info like the merchant name, transaction ID, date, and amount. If the MCC isn't visible in the app, here's what to do next. Copy the merchant name or the first 6 digits of your card number, called the BIN. Then go to websites like binlist.net, mcc-codes.com, or search MCC Lookup in Google. Paste the info into the search tool to find the correct MCC and spending category. And if a transaction shows the wrong category, you can contact Instarem support with proof. They may help clarify or update the MCC if needed. That's how you check merchant category codes, MCC, on Instarem. And stay on top of your rewards in 2025. Thanks for watching.